Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho Projects custom fields for better reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho Projects account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the specific project you want to update. In the project view, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to open the project settings menu. From the settings menu, find and select the custom fields option. You will see a list of existing custom fields associated with your project. To edit an existing custom field, click on the field name you wish to modify. Make the necessary changes in the field type, name, or description as needed. If you want to add a new custom field, look for the Add Custom Field button, typically located at the top of the list. Click on this button to initiate the creation of a new custom field. Choose the appropriate field type based on the data you want to capture. Name your custom field clearly and provide a brief description if necessary. You can also set the field as mandatory if you want to ensure all entries include this information. Once you have configured the field settings, click on the Save button to apply the changes. After saving, verify that your updated custom fields are displayed correctly. Return to the project dashboard and access the reporting section of your project. Utilize the newly updated custom fields in your reports to gain better insights. Make sure to review the reports to confirm that the data is being collected as you expected. Adjust any additional settings as needed for further customization. You have now successfully updated your custom fields in Zoho Projects for enhanced reporting capability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.